All right, so wait a second. Right, so are you guys already there? Ms. Patricia, Mr. John, Mr. Michael?
Yes, sir.
I
Mark,
Yes.
wonder why.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Jive, and then Miss
Yes.
Cario. You guys already ready to finish this module?
Ready, sir. Ready.
All right, it's good. So as I'm saying a while ago, so we're going to check whether what company is consistent in producing their batteries. Okay. So in here, as you can see, they have their sample of datas wherein is 6.2 hours, 6.8, and so on and so forth. And then here's the solution. Okay, so as you can see, just do this one. Where is that one? Just follow this one. So if it's population, just use this formula. If it's sample, just use this formula. All right, and then you will obtain those results. So 1.32 H or hours for the iso-bright, ever so bright, and then 0.719 hours for the dependable, and then beacon is 0.877 hours. So which one has the small or the smallest standard deviation? Which one?
Dependable, sir.
Dependable. So again, as I'm saying, range or the standard deviation is the margin of error on the every products. Okay, so the lesser the margin of error or the lesser the standard deviation, the better. So in here, the batteries from dependable have the smallest standard deviation. So according to these results, a dependable company produces the most consistent batteries with regard to life expectancy under constant use. So in here, we could say that our money is okay already with the use or with the products of dependable. Unlike the others, some has a deviation of 1.32 and then this one is 0.877. Though this one is already acceptable, okay, but of course we will choose the most consistent, okay, which is the dependable, right? So moving on, so right after the example, of course, as expected, you're going to have a short quiz, okay, or just one quiz on this specific topic. So I'll be leaving this one to you guys. So just do something or which is similar to this one. All right. So the last topic that we're going to have is the variance. Okay. Variance is actually already part on the step 1 to step number 5 on the one that we did in standard deviation. So what is variance? So it is a statistic known as the variance is also used as a measure of dispersion. Okay, or to be exact, it is under the standard deviation because you won't be able to solve the the variance if you don't or if you haven't solved the standard deviation yet. So the variance for a given set of data is the square of the standard deviation of the data. So that is why I have already said that the variance is already part on the solutions of the standard deviation. Because as you can see right here, whatever is the standard deviation, just square it, which we already did in step number 4. So going back here in step number 4, right here, step number 4. So we have 29.5 as a result, and then step number 5 for us to be able to get the standard deviation, just square root it. And then for step number 6, let's say you want to get the variance, just squared the result, which is 5.43 squared. So as you can see right here, it's like going back to 29.5. Okay. So as you can see, step number 4 is already your variance, and then step number 5 is your standard deviation. All right, so simple as that. So that's like your a bonus when it comes to solving the variance. All right. So in here, the following charts shows the mathematical notations that are used to denote standard deviations and variances. So notations for standard deviation and variance. So as we all know, this is the notation for the standard deviation of the population. And then just squared it. And then here's now the variance of the population. And then for the sample, we have this symbol S for the standard deviation of the sample, and then just squared it also. We also have, or we now be able to get the variance of the sample, right? So any questions so far up to this point?
None, sir.
Oh, ba't kumunti tayo?
Ganun talaga, kasi hanggang part 3 lang dapat tayo, di ba? So, what if kung nasa face-to-face tayo and then 4 hours kayo makikinig, di ba? So, for sure, magugutom kayo, mabubugnot kayo. Yeah, that's why in every meeting, I always only take maybe maximum 2 hours, okay, or 2 hours and 30 minutes as your time. And then the remaining 1 hour and 30 minutes or 2 hours will be your time to solve or to maybe, review or bahala kayo. Kasi mostly naman 3 days or 1 week yung binibigay ko dun sa mga quizzes or activity. Anyway, so let's have a quick example. So as I'm saying a while ago, going to slide 43, the standard deviation is 5.43. Just square that one, you will get 29.5. Or parang yun, kina-cancel out nyo lang yung square root. Okay? Square root squared is cancel it. You will get 29.5 as your variance. So of course, as usual, after this example, you're going to have a quiz. Okay? So this quiz is like part of your quiz on the standard deviation. Okay? So whatever is your standard deviation here will also affect your variance. So as you can see, getting the variance is super simple, but it's also a critical one because if you have an incorrect answer in the standard deviation, you will also an incorrect answer on the variance. So make sure that you have a correct answer on the standard deviation, so you will also get the correct answer for the variance, okay? And then that's it for this module. So any questions so far?
None po.
Is it clear so far or parang mabilis ako? Mabagal, mabilis, or tama lang?
Sakto lang.
Kasi feeling ko binilisan ko. So, binilisan ko talaga kasi parang yun nga, feeling ko pagkakasyahin ko siya in 3 parts, part 1 hanggang part 3, pero kinulang tayo. Anyway, so if you guys don't have a question anymore, so you may now leave and then have your breakfast if you haven't ate your breakfast yet. And then to those who has a question, so you may still live because we still have, maybe 30 minutes to discuss what is your concern or question.
Sige po, sir. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Good day po.
Sa mga wala ng katanungan. Okay. What about the others? Do you guys have a question? Okay.
Sige po, sir. Thank you.
Goodbye.
None po, sir.
Bye.
Bye po.
Bye, everybody.